Hello, I am Alina from Time. Today I want to introduce our TSE45 series with SEKT and SEHT inserts. TSE45 series is 45-degree face mill with high precision and for cutting edge insert for higher productivity. For cutting edges on one insert for highly economical machining. Optimized relief geometry on the positive insert ensures low cutting force and minimal chattering. Helical cutting edges and optimized positioning on cutter provide high wall accuracy and surface quality. Sharp and tough rake geometry reduces fracture of cutting edges. If you would like to know more about us, please check out our website for more information of time tools.